This is my time to shine. This is my golden time. Lost and I didn't even know it. Dimly lit the path I chose it. It's a drama, it's a play, like the phases of a day. I have my peace of mind. This is my time to shine. This is my golden time. Cycles spin, the stages unfold, costumes change, but not the actors I am told. Going home, time for peace. Through the gates, I am free. Lights will lead the way for us, standing right in the middle. I have my peace of mind. This is my time to shine. This is my golden time. Lost and I didn't even know it. Only lit the path I chose it. It's a drama, it's a play, like the phases of a day. I have my peace of mind. This is my time to shine. This is my golden time. I have my peace of mind. This is my time to shine. This is my golden time.
Good evening everyone. Welcome to the evening session. Before we start the session, can we please have confirmation if you can hear us, so that we can then start? All clear? Thank you, Tapasya. Welcome, Prita ji. Welcome, Bina ji. Tapasya, Pavan ji. Sujata, welcome. Again we are back. Hiren ji, Poonam ji, well done. Can we please share the video on Facebook so that we can reach to maximum people? Or you can even watch, host a watch party so that we can reach to. Welcome to the Monday session. Let's start with it. Those who are joining first time, just two things we do, that we don't create any resistance. You are at home now, there might be some resistance, disturbance. So we need to make sure that we don't create any resistance to that sound or disturbance. Be in ease. That's very important to learn meditation. Second, we give 100% to whatever we do. I was not having session in the evening on Saturday, Sunday, so I used to feel something is missing. Although we had a Zoom session in the morning, but Monday to Friday I am with you guys. So I was thinking something is wrong, why I am not feeling correct, and then I know, okay, today there is no session in the evening. So that's how I am being very, addicted to you all, so that we can see, do, and there is a different vibe altogether when we do together. So without wasting, also those who have some questions, they can send. Many times I answer them on individual level, but I would like to answer those questions in this forum, so that everyone who is listening can get benefit of that. So those who are joining first time, what we do here is, first we do some pranayam, kriya, then pranayam, and then meditation, and try to learn small tricks about how to keep ourselves anchored in the present moment, because life is happening here in this present moment. Now sit back, relax, keep your back straight, take long and deep breath in. Today we are going to take a lot of long deep breath in and breathe out. We will cleanse our body from carbon dioxide and let the oxygen pass into our mind, body, and every cellular level. Keep your eyes closed. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly let it go. Now with next long and deep breathing, we will chant Am 3 times. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Feel the silence. Feel the mind and body union together at this present moment. Now, here onwards, whatever we do, we keep our mind and body into the present, not into the thoughts. All the time, constantly knowing what is happening in my body, how I am feeling in terms of how my body temperature is, everything what is going in my head as a third person. From here on, we will treat our body and mind as a third person, and we will watch them what is happening, and we will anchor our mind into this present moment by being aware of all the movements of our body and touch of body parts. So we start our short kriya. Slowly turn your head towards left as much as possible till the time you get a good stretch on your neck. Slowly bring your hand to your right cheek. Feel the touch of your palm onto your cheek and press your cheek onto your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly let the feel the movement of hand going down, neck turning. You have to feel each and every movement. Now palm goes to again left cheek. Press your cheek onto your palm, feel the touch of your cheek, feel the heat on your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly remove hand. Feel the movement. We are learning, training to be in the present. Now both the hand onto your forehead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now back of the head. Gentle smile on the face. 1, 2, 3. Press your head onto your palm. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly hand coming down. Feel the movement of your hand going towards your knee. Again towards left as much as possible. Take your right palm to your right cheek. Press your right cheek onto your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly. What we are doing here, we are training our mind to be in present. We are anchoring. Right side. Again hand goes up. We are anchoring our mind onto the movements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly going down. We want our mind and body to be in present. Now again feel the pressure on your palm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now back of your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we'll do neck. Chin touching the chest. For Vishuddhi Chakra, go down like this, going up like this. 1, half circle only, not full circle. Going down. Feel the stretch into your neck. Going up. Going down. Going up. Going down. Again going up. Feel the stretch. Going down. going up, going down, very good. Now rotate your hand palm on your knee like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, smile. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Now we'll do for Anahata Chakra. Both the palm like this onto your thigh like this and pull yourself back. Stretch your back. 1, 2. See where the stretch is coming. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel the stretch. It is very important that we are into the present moment, because all our trouble comes from our thinking. Our thoughts becomes our emotions. Our emotions becomes our actions. Opposite. If your thoughts are in control, your emotions will be in control. If your emotions are in control, your actions will be in control. When everything is in control, you don't have to regret anything. Again going back. Don't work on the end result. Work on the root cause. And what is root cause? Mind keeps wondering. That is the root cause of all the dysfunction. Very good. Now for Manipurka Chakra, going down like this to the knee, coming back. Many of you will notice that someday you are so easy to do all the things. Someday you will see that it's difficult to reach the knee. Someday you will be able to sleep on it. It's just because of the stiffness in body. Stiffness keep changing with your every day. So the more unconscious thought you have, energy flows less and stiffness becomes more. Again, we'll try today. You can experience this every day. I myself experience. Sometimes I am able to even sleep on my knee. Sometimes it's difficult to touch even the knee. Okay, center. It just tells how that day my energy is flowing. Right, up, go down, up. Very good. Go up. All these kriyas looks very simple, but believe me, they are all working on your chakras. You will see the effect of this on day-to-day life. How beautiful and blissful our life becomes. How fear runs away, and we are ready to face any kind of situation. We have built such a beautiful family with each other here. Now full rotation, going down, right, down, going up, going back, again going down, going up, going down, going up, going down, as down as possible, and feel the movements. Now we will do opposite. Those who have joined just now, just start doing, just following us. Don't worry about anything. Just sit and start following from where we are doing. Very good. That was for Manipurka chakra. Now for Swadhisthana chakra, which is just 1 inch above your genitals. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Press up, down, up, down, up, down. Alright, now with opposite leg. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Very good. With gentle smile. This will strengthen your base. Many people cannot sit down for longer time. They can't fold their legs. But if you are doing these kriyas, you will see how easy it becomes, and our body becomes so flexible to sit down for longer time and longer duration. That's why I say that many people think, oh, yoga meditation we'll do when we are old. But when you are old, you can't do anything because the body will not let you do anything. It won't let you sit. Shishupal Asana, rocking baby pose, like this. Interlock your finger, keep your baby as close as possible and rotate your baby like this. Sing a song with me. लल्ला लल्ला लोरी दूध की कटोरी दूध में बताशा मुन्ना करे तमाशा. Kiss your baby on the toes. Now we got twins, twin baby. Baby has become very heavy. लल्ला लल्ला लोरी दूध की कटोरी दूध में बताशा मुन्ना करे तमाशा. Bring it close to your heart like this. You should love your baby more. Close and give him a long kiss like this. Very good. Now we'll do Patangasana, butterfly pose. And in Hindi it's called Titli Asana. So there are 2 stages. One is up here, one. Go up, 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 up. Go down, 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 down. More down, more down, more down. Keep your back straight. More down, more down. That's 2. So we have to fly between 1 and 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Very good. 1, 2. 1, 2. Up, down, up, down. Up, down, 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 up. Go down, 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 down. Go up, 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 up. Go down, 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 down. Go up, 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 up. Very good. Now, just get your legs bit straight, relax. Very good. Very good. Well done. Now we will do some pranayam. Today we are going to do more pranayam. We are going to do 4 or 5 types of pranayam so that our respiratory system is become stronger and help our immunity system grows. Because in pranayam what basically you are doing is you are throwing out all the toxin, all the carbon dioxide and taking the oxygen. Oxygen is something which our body lives on. Let's suppose the breath is going in, breath is going out. What is happening? Oxygen going in, carbon dioxide going out. Now, next breathe in doesn't go, what will happen? The who we really are tied with a knot of breath. So breath is an unbroken string. These strings ties us to the body. The day this string is broken, the who we are and who we are not becomes separate. So our body becomes separate, we become separate. So we are tied with this body, with this string. The string is breath. It is continuous string. So it's not like breathe in and breathe going out. So it's like a cycle. So it's not in out. So it goes in, it returns back. It goes in, returns back. It's a whole cycle. It's a string of breath. This string ties us. The day this will be broken, we just fly out of this. Now, when this string is going on, what basically it is doing? Taking all the oxygen, putting inside our body, lungs. Through lungs, it gets mixed up with our blood flow, and it purifies all the blood, because body is creating toxin every day. Whatever you eat, whatever, it's all a chemical factory inside. It's one of the ugliest chemical factory inside. When you look at some, the endoscopy or anything, you wouldn't want to look inside how dirty it is inside. It's the worst chemical factory. That's why it is smell proof, waterproof, nothing goes, air proof, nothing goes in, nothing comes out. We can't see it, we can't feel it. So when you do breathing, pranayam, what will happen? More and more oxygen goes. All the toxin comes out and more energetic you feel. So first we will do Bhastrika pranayam, second we will do Kapalbhati, third we will do Anulom Vilom, fourth we will do counting, and fifth we will do Bhamri pranayam. 5 types of pranayam. Sit back, relax, enjoy. Okay. Now both the hand, give 100% only with the nose, mouth closed. 3 sets of pranayam, Bhastrika pranayam. Take long and deep breathe in, out, 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 in. Keep doing in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. In out, 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 in out. Very good, relax. Keep your back straight. Hold attention on your palm. Eyes closed. Feel the sensation on your palm. अपने अनुभव पे जाने, on your own experience, anchor your mind onto your palm and see what is happening on my palm. Not a miracle, just a normal sensation, tingling sensation, flow of blood, normal things. Do not create any image or chant any mantra. We do simple things. Don't do anything else what is being told in this session. It's very important you follow instruction. Again one more time. Breathe in, out, only with the nose. Forcefully in, forcefully out. Forcefully in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Again. Keep your back straight, neck little bit tilted up. Feel the heat in your body. Feel the touch of your cloth. Try to anchor your mind onto your palm and become aware of the sensation on your palm. Tingling sensation, blood flow in the veins. Entire attention on both the palm. What is happening right now in this right present moment, this moment, what is happening on my palm. You will immediately see the effect of oxygen into your blood flow. Also, you will see that tremendous amount of thought has gone down, and you will also experience, if you are lucky, you will see the cosmic energy flowing through your head, through the back of your throat. You will feel that sweetness. You will see that it's going into every body part. Those lucky ones can actually feel this on their own experience, the cosmic flow, the energy which is very vital. One more time. Breathe in, out, 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 in, out. Relax. Eyes closed. Feel the energy onto your palm. Try to listen to the silence. अपने आसपास गहरी शांति को महसूस करें. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. Usually we are aware only of the sounds. Make this habit to become aware of the silence. There is a silence between two words. There is a gap between two words I am speaking. Every sound comes from silence, dies down into silence. Silence is eternal. We'll do 3 sets of Kapalbhati, only exhaling, not inhaling. Through the nose and stomach, just push the carbon dioxide out like this. Don't inhale. Inhalation will happen automatically. 30 times with 1 second interval. Start. Relax. Keep your back straight. Become aware of the silence. Take your attention to your ears and try to listen to the Anhata Nad. This is something like zzz, but without any strucking of sound. It's Nad. Anhata Nad means unstruck sound which goes on forever. Take attention to your ears and try to hear the Anhata Nad. If you can't hear by both the ears, take attention to your right ear or left ear. Some people's right ear is active, some people's left ear is active. The sound is equivalent to the sound we get when we go into dark jungles and forests or very silent places. One more time. Kapalbhati, start. Pranayam is very vital for your body. The more pranayam you do, better for you. Relax. That's why we are doing 5 pranayam today as discussed. First we did Bhastrika, now we are doing Kapalbharti. We'll do then Anulom Vilom, then breathing with counting, and we end the pranayam with Bhamri pranayam. One more time, Kapalbharti, start. Relax. Keep your back straight, eyes closed. Anulom Vilom. Alternate nostril breathing. Put your right thumb onto your right nostril. Take long and deep breathing. Then take a pinky finger and close your nostril. Remove the thumb. Breathe out. Again take long and deep breathing from right nostril. Close with the thumb. Remove your pinky finger. Exhale. Take long and deep breathing. Close. Breathe out. If you want, you can take 3 fingers, put on your forehead and start doing it. Long and deep breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out from alternate nostril. Keep doing. Keep your back straight. Breathe in. Breathe out. Long and deep breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Take long and deep breathe in. Don't get tired. Breathe out. If your hand is paining, let it pain. Breathe in. Breathe out. Take long and deep breathe in. Don't remove your hand. Keep doing. Be strong. Take long and deep breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Alternate nostril breathing. So breath is coming one from right, going from left, coming from right, going from left. Then alternate. Breathe in. Long and deep breathe in. Long and deep breathe out. Long and deep breathe in. Long and deep breathe out. Long and. If your hand is paining, let it pain. Long and deep breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Long and deep breathe in. Breathe out. Long and deep breathe in. Breathe out. Long and deep breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Keep your back straight. Become aware of the silence surrounding you. counting breathing. If your legs are sore, you may just open leg like this and just give little bit of shake. Again start. We'll do now counting. Pranayam, counting me. 4 stages. Breathe in slowly with the counting. Breath goes in. Then hold. Then reverse counting. Breath comes out. Then hold. So 2 hold, 1 full lungs, 1 empty lung. We start. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. This is full lung hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. This is empty lung hold. The Kriya means internal working. Now our lungs are getting exercise. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. This is full lung stage. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Hold. Breathe out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold. Relax. Sit in a relaxed pose. Feel the silence surrounding you. Become aware of Anahata Nad onto your ear. Both the thumb inside your ear, 4 fingers onto your eyes. Take long deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Very good. Remove your hand, place it on your thigh. Just sit, relax. If you want to stand up for a minute, stand up, stretch it out for 1 minute. Just stand up, stretch yourself, bend yourself. You can sit anywhere you want now. If you are wearing glasses, remove your glasses. Sit on couch, sit on chair. Just don't lie down. Back straight. If you want to stretch, just stand up and stretch little bit. I will wait for 1 minute. Those who are fine, just sit with your eyes closed. Back straight, neck little bit tilted up, trying to listen to the sound of silence. Be very easy, accept everything. Welcome all the disturbance. Do not resist them. Welcome all the disturbance. Accept the present moment as it is, without creating any aversion or craving, gently smiling. Now sit in a very relaxed and comfortable position, but once you sat, then you try to be still as much as possible. Repeat after me. If you can close your lights, dim your light, that will be better. I will give you half minute to do that. Dim your lights if possible. Alright. Now sit relaxed with your back straight, eyes closed, neck little bit tilted up, and repeat after me. I am not the body, I am not even the mind, I am not the thoughts, I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing, mind keep changing, thoughts keep changing, emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts, I am not even the emotions. I am not the thoughts, I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing, mind keep changing, thoughts keep changing, emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts, I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing, mind keep changing, thoughts keep changing, emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts, I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing, mind keep changing, thoughts keep changing, emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts, I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing, mind keep changing, emotions keep changing, thoughts keep changing. I never change. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the thoughts, I am not even the emotions. Body keep changing, mind keep changing, thoughts keep changing, emotions keep changing. I never change. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. Not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. Not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. I am not the body, I am not even the mind. Sit silent. Today we learn meditation by doing nothing at all. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. Take long and deep breath in. Slowly, slowly let it go. We'll do arm chanting 3 times. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath in. Sit, relax, keep your back straight. Today you will learn the meditation by simply doing nothing and being aware and alert of all the happenings surrounding you. Just sit, do nothing. Become aware, a pure awareness. What is going on inside me? Just become aware. Don't do anything. Just sit and just become aware what is happening inside me. What is happening in my head. What is happening on my body parts. Do not imagine anything. Do not picture anything. Do not do chanting of any sort. Just become aware what is happening. As a third person, try to look at yourself. Don't look at yourself. Look at your body and mind as a third person. Do nothing absolutely. Just sit still. कुछ करना नहीं है, बस आराम से बैठे और अपने आप को देखें. What is happening in my head? What kind of thoughts I am getting? What is happening in my body? Where I am feeling pain? Where I am feeling stiffness? बस जानते रहे. Just become familiar with the present moment and it's happening right now in this present moment. What is happening inside my body? Become aware. Don't try to change anything. We are not doing anything, not changing anything. We are just becoming aware. What is happening inside me in this present moment? जानते रहे. Become aware of your mind, how it functions, how it runs from one place to another, to another, to another, travels whole world in millisecond. Become aware of your nature of your mind, become aware of the nature of your body as a third person. Do nothing, just become aware. What is happening right now in this present moment inside my head? What is that noise? Where that noise comes from? Whole day keep talking inside my head. Where is that sound comes from? Try to find the source of that sound inside your head. Who talks in your head whole time? Try to find that voice in your head. Continuous talking inside. Try to find that voice inside your head. Where is that voice? I want to bring that voice to the light. Become aware of the thoughts inside your head. Do nothing, just become aware. What is happening right now inside my body and mind? Just become aware in your stillness. Try to find that voice inside your head, from forehead or back of the head, from side or center, where this voice keeps coming all whole day, telling us different stories, different scenarios, different things. Keep talking inside head. Where this coming from? Try to find the root of that voice. Search into your small head. Bring the light of yourself into the darkness of your head and try to find these thoughts, and the person keeps talking inside your head. Just become aware of the thousands of word goes on, the thousands of scenarios, the thousands of sentences. Who talks this much into their head? Who is sitting inside my head? Who keeps talking whole day? Labeling, judging, analyzing, labeling, judging, analyzing. For every happening, every moment, every event, labeling, judging, analyzing, labeling, judging, analyzing. Keep talking, words, thousands of the words. Where all this word comes from? Try to find the source inside your head. शब्दों के जंगल में तू क्यों फंसा है रे। शब्दों के जंगल में तू क्यों फंसा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे। शब्दों के जंगल में तू क्यों फंसा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे। आनंद तू ही परमानंद तू ही, आनंद तू ही परमानंद तू ही। ओम में रम कर, ओम में खोकर, ओम में मिलना है। शब्दों के जंगल में तू क्यों फंसा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे। मान अपमान होता कहा रे, ये तो है शब्दों की पकड़। मान अपमान होता कहा रे, ये तो है शब्दों की पकड़। भले बुरे शब्द तुझे हिला दे, इतना नहीं तू है कमजोर। ओम में रम कर, ओम में खोकर, ओम में मिलना है। शब्दों के जंगल में तू क्यों फंसा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे, पर ब्रह्म के रस से तेरा नस नस रमा है रे। Take long and deep breath in. Take long and deep breath out. Breathe in, breathe out. Whenever you feel complete, whenever you feel rejuvenated, whenever you feel blissful, with a heart full of gratitude for every human being, blessing every human being. सबका मंगल हो, सबका मंगल हो. May all be happy. May all being happy. सबका मंगल. You may open your eyes. Whenever you are ready, you may open your eyes. जब भी आप रेडी हो तभी आंखें खोलना है. Thank you very much for joining tonight. It's been pleasure. If you are online, please say hello. I'm going to play a bhajan and also read your comment. Those who are online say hello so I know who all did session today, because it's very difficult for me to know who is watching, because there are 50 people watching, 40 people watching, but I don't know who's watching. So it's always good to say hi, hello, and to tell me how the session was. And also we'll sing a bhajan together. Those who have any important appointment, they may go now, but those who can spend some time with me will do bhajan, and I will read your comments. Next 10 minutes we'll finish. Thank you so much for joining. I am online for next 10 minutes. We'll do bhajan together. Also write and read your comment. Share the Facebook live post. Let us reach as many as possible. Let us bring peace to all the human beings.
प्रभु जी दया करो, प्रभु जी दया करो, मन में आन बसो, मन में आन बसो। खाली घट